No signal. We will step forward and repeat your name. You, Fräulein, will listen. Learn the names so you can call them when you want them.
Liesel.
Friedrich.
Louisa.
Kurt.
Brigitte. Martha.
Liesel. I'm sorry. Gretel. Now, Fräulein, let's see how well you listen.
Oh, I want you to whistle for them, Reverend Captain. What I mean is, we'll be together all the time.
Not on all occasions. This is a large house in a large estate. They've been taught to come only when they hear the signal. Now, when I want you, this is what you'll hear.
No. You won't need to bother, sir, because I couldn't possibly ask him to whistle.
Nonsense. Everyone in this house answers to a whistle. I'll show you. This is my orderly, my butler, the new governess, Fräulein Maria.
Yes, sir.
That is the Hauser, Frau Schmidt, the housekeeper, Fräulein Maria. Leave, her room is ready.
Yes, sir.
Well, I shall now leave you with the children. You are in command.
Pardon me, sir, but you didn't tell me how to address you.
You will call me Captain.
Oh, why, thank you, Captain. Oh, I forgot to return this whistle, Captain. I won't be needing it, Captain. Well, now that there's just us, would you please tell me your names again and tell me how old you are? Now,
I'm Liesel, I'm 16 years old, and I don't need a governess.
I'm so glad you told me we'll just be friends.
I'm Friedrich. I'm 14. I'm a boy.
Boy, why, you're almost a man.
I'm Brigitte.
You didn't know how old you are, Louisa.
I'm Brigitte. She's Louisa, and she's 13 years old, and you are smart. I am 9, and I think your dress is the ugliest one I've ever saw.
You mustn't say a thing like that.
Why not? Don't you think it's ugly?
Well, even if I did think so, I wouldn't say so. I'm Kurt. I'm 11. Almost.
That's a nice age to be, 11 almost.
I'm Martha, and I'm going to be 7 on Tuesday, and I like a pink pencil.
Pink is my favorite color, too. Now you must be Gretel. Well, now, I'm going to tell you something. I've never been a governess before. How do I start?
You mean you don't know anything about me?
Nope.
Well, the first thing you have to do is tell Father to mind his own business.
Louisa, don't. I like her.
What's in there?
Oh, it's my guitar.
What did you bring that for? For what thing?
Oh, of course, you sing. Everybody sings. What songs do you know?
We don't.
You don't?
No.
Well, now, I know where to start. I'm going to teach you how to sing. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi, Mi. But first, please don't stop me. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Here, I'll make it easier for you. Listen. Do, a deer, a female deer, Re, on top of the fly.